In this video, here we have the question 50 power 50 divided by 25 power 25. So there could be many ways to solve this problem, but we will try to solve it through the easiest way. So here we have 50 power 50 divided by 5 square, because 25 can be written as 5 square whole power 25. So 50 power 50 divided by 5 power 50, because the powers inside and outside can be multiplied. So 25 into 2, that is 50. So 50 power 50 divided by 5 power 50. So it can be written as 50 divided by 5 whole power 50. So 50 divided by 5, that is 10. We all know that. So 10 power 50. So this is the final answer of that. Now here we have another method to solve this problem. So we have the same question, 50 power 50 divided by 25 power 25. So here we have 50 power 50 can be written as 50 power 25 plus 25 divided by 25 power 25. So now here we have 50 power 25 into 50 power 25, because when the bases are same, the powers can be added. Like here, a power m plus n, that is equal to a power m into a power n, or vice versa. So here we have 50 power 25 into 50 power 25 divided by 25 power 25. Now here you can see that we have the power same in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we can write this one as 50 divided by 25 whole power 25 into 50 power 25. Now here we have 50 power 25 into 2 power 25, because 50 divided by 25, that is 2. So 2 power 25. Whenever we have a power n into b power n, then it can be written as a into b whole power n. So the same we are doing over here. So a into b, it means 50 into 2, that is 100. So 100 power 25, and 100 can be written as 10 square. So 10 square whole power 25. So we know that the powers inside and outside can be multiplied. So 10 power 50. So this is the final answer. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.